Hello everyone, my name is Mustafa and I'm the CEO of Fluid Finance. And today I'm going to tell you why isolation keeps millions of people in poverty today. Throughout the global south, you'll realize that most people are not tech entrepreneurs like myself. They're not office workers neither. Most people are actually smallholder farmers. In a country like Ghana, 1 out of 2 adults works in agriculture, and the vast majority of them are smallholder farmers. Throughout Africa, smallholder farmers contribute to 25% of the continent's GDP and are truly economic engines for Africa. Nevertheless, smallholder farmers remain kept in poverty. And the factors why they remain in poverty are actually lack of access to financial services, lack of access to inputs and services that are going to help them increase their crop yield, or even fair markets where they're able to sell their crops at fair prices and create wealth over the long run. On the picture that you see on the right-hand side of the screen, you're seeing one of the reasons why smallholder farmers in Ghana are kept in poverty. This is actually a mobile banker. She works for a bank and she's going from community to community to open bank accounts, originate loans, and track transactions entirely on paper in 2022. And this lack of digital tools and operational efficiency keeps millions of smallholder farmers excluded from the financial system. At Fluid, we aim to change that. We aim to create wealth for smallholder farmers. How do we do it? First of all, we take the system that banks have been using, the paper-based system that they've been using, and do away with it by giving them a mobile application to everything that they used to do in those farming communities, such as opening savings accounts, originating loans, and tracking transactions between farmers and banks. But more importantly, throughout this entire process of originating loans and monitoring them, we build data on farmers. And that data allows us to then being able to go to the agricultural value chain and being able to create bargaining power for farmers and allow them to truly build wealth tomorrow. I'm going to show you what that looks like. On the screen, you see the mobile application of Fluid, in which a mobile banker, like the lady that you saw in the previous slides, goes to a farmer and then originates a loan for the farmer. She's going to collect the location of the farm. She's going to collect the type of crops that the farmer is farming, but then also being able to collect even things as granular as the amount of fertilizer he wishes to have, the amount of mechanization he requires for his farm. And all that data is going to then inform the bank as for the needs of the farmer and allow them to give them the right amount of capital to increase the crop yield and really create income for the farmer. More importantly than that, we then take this data on thousands of farmers and aggregate it. And this is where the magic happens. By aggregating data on thousands of farmers, we're then able to create bargaining power for them. We're able to go to fertilizer producer, mechanization providers, and being able to get services for farmers at better prices just because we're able to syndicate farmers together and get them bulk pricing, which also helps them create wealth. And we do the same as well for crop sales, in which we're able to go to commodity off-takers and being able to present to them data and being able to get better deals for farmers tomorrow. Ultimately, since our launch in 2022, we were fortunate to onboard 7 banks on our platform and reach 4,600 farmers on our platform and manage more than $1.2 million in loans given to farmers. We also received the backing of the MasterCard Foundation, the IDEA program at Northeastern University, and that momentum, that support gives us the ambition to reach 350,000 farmers by 2025 and being able to create wealth creation opportunities for them. Over the next couple of years, we want to start by solidifying what we call the wealth virtuous cycle, in which the farmer is connected to banks, the farmer is connected to input providers, as well as a market. And these And this circle allows the farmer to truly build wealth on a year-to-year basis. But later on, we want to go and aggregate the data that we have on hundreds of thousands of farmers, being able to go to impact investors, institutional lenders, and being able to get access to cheaper funding for farmers to be able to let them even build more wealth and have more money by the end of the season. Ultimately, we want to tackle difficult problems to solve, such as the issue of climate change in the global south, which is actually extremely impactful as we speak, and being able to provide smallholder farmers by 2025 access to weather index insurance and being able to receive income from carbon credits and truly fulfill our mission of building wealth for smallholder farmers. If you're looking to connect with us, we're looking for partners that can help us get access to inputs for farmers and a better market for farmers, but even more than that. And if you're interested in connecting with us, please visit fluidfinance.co or connect with us via LinkedIn. Thank you.